Welcome to Frog Facts, Part 2, 2 Frogs, 2 Facts. To blend in with its environment, the budget frog has muddy brown colored skin, while the Vietnamese mossy frog has spotted skin and bumps to look like moss or lichen. Many poisonous frogs are boldly colored to warn predators. Some species of frog, such as Fort Randolph rubber frog, develop the same colors as coexisting poisonous species. Although not toxic, predators avoid it. Frogs are cold-blooded. When the temperature drops, some frogs dig burrows underground or in mud under ponds. Some frogs hibernate until spring, completely still and scarcely breathing. The wood frog can live north of the Arctic Circle, surviving with 65% of its body frozen. It uses glucose in the blood as antifreeze that concentrates in vital organs, protecting from damage while the rest of its body freezes. Australian water-holding frog is a desert dweller that can wait up to 7 years for rain. It burrows underground in a transparent cocoon made of its own shed skin. Frogs are freshwater creatures, though some are able to live in brackish or nearly completely salty waters. Almost all frogs fertilize eggs outside of the female's body. The male holds the female around the waist in mating hug called amplexus. He fertilizes the eggs as she lays them. Amplexus can last hours or days. One pair of Andean frogs stayed in amplexus for 4 months. Marsupial frog keeps her eggs in a pouch like a kangaroo. When eggs hatch into tadpoles, she opens the pouch with her toes and spills them into the water. Pipa pipa, the Suriname toad of South America, carries her young embedded in the skin of her back. After months, the eggs sink gradually into the female's back and a skin pad forms over the eggs. The developing juvenile frogs are visible inside their pockets for several days before hatching. They emerge over a period of days, thrusting their head and forelegs out first, then struggling free. The gastric brooding frog of Australia swallows her fertilized egg. The tadpoles remain in her stomach for up to 8 weeks, finally hopping out of her mouth as little frogs. During brooding period, gastric secretions cease. Among Darwin frogs, it is the male who swallows and stores the developing tadpoles in his vocal sac until juvenile frogs emerge.